Hi guys, today I will show you the best method to fix your restricted Facebook account. As you can see, this Facebook account is restricted from advertising and asking identity card. So first, I will upload a photo of a human face, and then I will create an ID card using that face to upload here. First come to this site and select a face according to your gender of the profile. Then upload the photo. Now I am creating the identity using PSD template. You can get this PSD template from me by contacting me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Find the contacts below. The identity card is ready, so I am going to upload it here now. The identity card has already been submitted, and now I am going to choose option 3 and send the text that I prepared. Now, you have to wait at least 1 day to get the result from Facebook. After waiting for 1 day, I will reload it to see the result. As you can see, it's resolved with my ID card and the text. This ID is really working right now. What are you waiting for? Contact me and get the PSD template. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can keep uploading free content like this.